back to the channel. Sorry I haven't been on in about a week now. I've been extremely busy at work, and today is the day that I finally get to actually go ahead and film again, which I'm excited about. It's not gonna be a huge video, but I do have some things coming up in the future, so I want people's opinion on how these sound clips come out, because I want to do just some different angles. When I've seen other people do them, they work out pretty well, so I'm thinking that it's gonna work fine for me, but this camera is still new to me, and I'm learning what works best, and I'm wondering if I need some sort of external microphone for a lot of the shots I'll be doing. So it's just stuff that I want to look into, and I'm hoping to get your opinion on how the sound clips are and how you think they come out and the angles. So when I wear this as a head mount, I typically wear it with the camera facing right side up. And I was wondering if I flip it upside down, it'll give that lower view, if that's gonna work out. Because I know people have like the hat mount, and I do wanna pick one of those up because it gives you a better angle. I don't like when it's on the top of my head because I feel like I get too much of like the sun visor and like everything else. I want more of the dash and more of the road as opposed to, again, like the sky, and I feel like it gets up a little too high for me. So I'm gonna try flipping the camera upside down to see if that works. I put it on there real quick, but it kind of sits, like, if that makes sense, like angled a little up. So again, something I want to look into. So let me know what you guys think of those shots and how they come out. And I mean, other than that, I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. It was beautiful here in New England. So let's just kind of jump right into the video. And again, let me know your opinion on it, and then I can make future decisions from there. so that wraps it up for today. Let me know what you guys think of each of these new angles. I do still think that by briefly reviewing it, I'm probably gonna have to get the hat mount if I want to do something that's a little more down here. It's a little weird driving with it too. It's like right in front of your face, and like I should have expected that, but at the same time, like you can see around it. It's just kind of weird. But yeah, so let me know what angle you think is the best, and if you think any of them are worth keeping around. I'm trying to do roughly like 1.5 to 2 minutes of each, just to give a good general idea. Again, like, it's not going to be the most exciting content to watch, but it's kind of an experiment to see how it looks and to see if you guys have any feedback on it. So I'd really appreciate you guys leaving a comment just to let me know what you think about it. And I got some good stuff coming up this week. Things are starting to kind of turn around, so I think we've got some good content coming, and I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, other than that, have a great day. I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday when I don't have a crazy work schedule. And I will catch you in the next video. Scooch out!